Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? Happy Saturday. In today's videos, I want to show you what I got for free PR item that worth over $500. What is this all about? Let's go check it out. If this is the first time you come to my YouTube channel, hello, I'm Steve Jen. My YouTube channel is focused 90% skincare and beauty, 10% lifestyle. And now, let me introduce myself to you a little bit.
So much.
How
I've been
do you
filming,
look like this?
You know how I look like this. I use these two products like day to day. This is so. I want to talk to you about my ritual because I have a ritual.
Everyone can use this, and this special kit after your toner, and you can put a couple drop, press on the skin, it balance, it renew the skin, make your skin even more radiant. As you can see, I have a lot of experience in cosmetic over 27 years, and this is the reason why you can count on me to give you the best recommendation for skincare and beauty product, plus lots of skincare tips. If you like what you see so far, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel over here and follow all my social media. Okay, so 2 weeks ago, I think it's 2 weeks ago, my good friend Josetty and Gennesis, they invited me as a +1, went to this amazing pre-Coachella house gifting event. Honestly, I have no idea what that is. And when we arrived, I quickly realized, oh my god, that event is they really invite us a major influencer. I mean, they a big influencer. I'm so thankful that Josetty and Gennesis invite me. And we went there. I mean, we saw so many bloggers with an amazing time. And each vendor there, you can basically just take the item that you like it for free. Have you ever wondered what does the blogger get in there? What's the value for those products? So today's videos, I want to show you the item I picked up for myself. And amazing, amazing, amazing. Okay, let's get started this video. So this is the two bags I have here. They are pretty heavy. So I want to show you individually what I got, okay? So let me put my glasses on so I can see better. Oh my gosh, I can't see anything, I swear. Alright, this is the Peter and Jane accessory, and they designed with our plant in mind, and the outer material range product with certified sustainable and recyclable vegan material. Love it, love it, love it. And this bag here is $69.95. And I'll show you the video clip. There are so many different bags that you can pick. I love this, and because there's a little pocket right here, pouch. And in my mind, when I'm looking at, this is how I look at it. If I can get a free merchandise, right, I want to get something that I would normally not spend money. So normally I would never buy a white handbag because they get dirty very easily, but they are so cute. It's perfect for summer, late spring, early summer. So I thought, you know what, let's just give it a try. Let's get this. This is so cute and environmental friendly, and the bag is really a camera bag. It holds a lot of stuff. There's actually two compartments in there. One is here and the other one is the zipper side right here. Let me show you guys. See that? Totally amazing. $69.95. Whoa, I cannot believe I got this. I'm so happy about this. And this little one here, you can put whatever you want to put in there, basically. So yeah, that's the first item I got. Absolutely love it. And by the way, leave a comment below. Let me know which item you also like too. So this is exciting. So the next item is by Stacks. And they are, I went on their website. They are all about workout gear, right? And obviously, I won't fit on some of the clothing. They are really focused on women. But I was able to get something I think is super cute. Let me show you guys. First, there's a drawstring bag here. We can always use drawstring bag. And then, ta-da! Pink hat. I think I look cute in pink. So this hat alone is $35. So cute, so cute. I love it. You know, I can go to Disney with this one of this day. You know, absolutely love it. So I'm gonna put this on right now to show you guys. Okay, there's one more item in here. Let me see. Hold please. It is their sunglasses. This is $49. Oh my gosh. Let me show you guys. This is more like a sport sunglasses. Let me show you. And of course, when we're there, there's so many options you can get. I just found one again. I picked one that I would normally buy. So I suppose if I ever go hiking or ski or something, this will be great for that. Alright, so let's move on to this bag right here. It's huge. It's huge, huge, huge. The first thing I want to show you is the shoes. Again, I love this. This is so cool. Let me show you what is this. Hold please. So this is by Just Fab. It is the raining ankle boot. And this is retail for $72.95. It's pink. And this is my size. I mean, I tried this on. It's perfect for me. Again, I can totally see when I go to Disney to wear this. I mean, obviously, I got a pair. I mean, not just one piece. Can you imagine? How cool is this? It's really nice belt. Look at all this. Stretch on the side. This, the inside is easy to go in. Yeah, I mean, wow. So again, would I buy this for myself? Probably not, because I don't think I'll wear pink that much on shoes. But I do have to say I look cute in pink. Don't you agree? Okay. Next item is really interesting. They have a whole bunch of swimming wear. And I was like, okay, well, obviously they're all for female. I cannot wear that. But I found this two-piece sets. It's actually a three-piece sets for $34, but I didn't get the bra because I don't wear the bra. I got, watch this. I got this beautiful purple, kind of like a lounge shirt. This is cute. Very, very cute. And the swimming pants. So I can totally see that I wear this to the beach or whatever, you know. But this is cute. I am very happy about all this. Summer day, I can just wear this. Even at home, lounge around the house, I can totally get away wearing something like this. Of course, I will wear white inside or, you know, it's cute. It's cute. I look good in color. Yeah, I mean, this is for female, but you know what? I can wear this. I actually tried this on. Pretty cute. And plus, they gave you this really cute beach drawstring bag. I mean, kind of, I don't know what you call it, this type of bag. Cute for summer. Okay, so this is $34, and they sell this three-piece. I'll show you the picture right here. Has a bra in there, but I didn't get that because I don't wear that. But I got this too, so this is fantastic. So far, what do you think about this? I'm having a really good time showing you all the goodie that I got. Okay, let's see what else I have here. So, oh yeah, and then they also have this the brand CLD. It is the PR company. They have this water, and this is the actual brochure right here. I also ordered this sunglasses. They didn't give it to me. I have to order online. I'm still waiting for that to be arrived. But let me show you here right now on the photo. You can take a look. This is by Bailey Nielsen. I got this. It's $200 sunglasses. I have the coupon code. I get it for free. I just paid $10 for shipping. I can't wait for this to arrive to my house. And of course, there's a large tote bag right here. It's good for grocery shopping, whatever you want to do. So yeah, I just want to share with you guys the item that I received from this amazing PR event. So once again, thank you Josetty and Gennesis. Invite me as a +1. So it means so much to me. They also invited me for the Glow Recipe event a couple of weeks ago. I also had a really amazing time. I'll put a link below. You can check it out. Definitely check out their Instagram and YouTube. They are definitely amazing person. Very, very talented in beauty and fashions. Their TikTok video, it's crazily good. and we've been collaborating a lot on my one-step adventure for the video. Quick announcement before I go, I want to share with you my new YouTube channel, One Step Adventure, that is focused on theme park and Disneyland. We are giving away a really cute merch. I want to show you this. This is a brand new Mickey year. This is to celebrate 50 years anniversary electrical parade. This is the year. We're gonna give this away for free. And plus the mini Elliot. If you love Disney, you know what is this. This is the Wishbowl baby. So this two item is to it's a giveaway on my new YouTube channel, One Step Adventure. I'll put a link below so you can go there, watch the video, and enter the giveaway. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys later. Bye!
Hi, I'm Steve Jan, founder of Yibu Beauty, and these are my sister. We've been together through thick and thin. Nothing comes between us in our family. Just like our bond, the two new releases of the Mooncast collections, our Hero Serum and Hero Moisturizer, are the super duo. Nothing will come between your skin and the Yibu superpowers.